In the battle for email marketing dominance, two platforms rise above the rest, Mailblaze and DirectIQ. But which one is right for you? Let's dive into their features, pricing, and usability to help you decide. Mailblaze offers a robust suite of features, including drag-and-drop email builders, automation workflows, landing page creation, and advanced analytics. While feature-rich, DirectIQ might not be as comprehensive. Look for strengths in campaign management, subscriber segmentation, and reporting. Mailblaze known for its affordability. Mailblaze offers various plans based on list size. Typically, it starts with a free plan for basic needs. DirectIQ pricing can be a bit more complex, with plans based on features and email volume. Research their options carefully. Mailblaze boasts a beautiful and user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to jump right in. I truly like Mailblaze for several reasons. First, the powerful features allow for complex campaigns while remaining accessible. Second, the user interface is visually appealing and intuitive, making it a breeze to use. Finally, the super affordable pricing makes it a great option for businesses of all sizes. For beginners or budget-conscious businesses, Mailblaze is a strong choice with its user-friendly interface and affordable plans. For established businesses with complex needs, DirectIQ might be worth considering for its advanced campaign management features. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try them both. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try Mailblaze and DirectIQ for free.